Hi guys, good morning. How are you today? So, today is Monday, first day of the week, etc. We're already here in our work. Actually, we work in salon, beauty salon. Of course, before we start our day, let's make some balsamar. Charot. Actually, that's our term in how we put some makeup because we need it in our work to look presentable so that our customers will like our faces the so this time we'll starting our balsamar. uh, I have to get my stuff, and this one is my friend, that's my partner. She's busy on her phone. She's taking a live. At first, I used some cleanser on my face. It's only as Eskinol. It's mild to use so that the dirt will gone. Charot. And of course, that time I already used the cleanser in my face so that the dirt will be disappear. Even though if we're not that beautiful, so then after that, after cleansing my face, I use as Eskinol cleansing. I will put some mm, sunblock. Most important is everyday in our everyday life. If we go outside the door, we have to put some sunblock every day to protect our skin. Charot. To protect our face from sunlight. I used to use every day a sunblock, even though I'm not that I have no white skin, but for protection only. I don't forget to use sunblock every day when I go to work or I go outside. It's very important. And then after that, after putting some sunblock on my face, I have to use my powder. It's from O2O. I used some baby powder. It's from O2O. I ordered it from TikTok. You look at my friend. She's fixing her hair while waiting some customer. And then after that, we used to talk any kind of topics because we don't have topics to talk about as well. That time I'm not already finished putting some um, sunblock. I also put skin white face powder. It's beige color, so it will cover my skin. Actually, I have a dark skin tone. I used to put some face powder with beige color so that it will appropriate on my skin. And after that, I'll put some face powder. After that, I have to fix my eyebrows because my eyebrows is so yeah. It's very important to fix eyebrows every day because kilay is life. What we called here in the Philippines is kilay is life. So the most important is you have to put some kilay in your kilay. I mean eyebrows. Eyebrows naman noon. So I have to comb my eyebrows first. Actually, I have a little bit eyebrows. I have to comb it first before putting some eyeliner. Yeah, you see that? Okay. Then after that, I have to draw it from black eyeliner before putting my liquid eyeliner. I have a liquid eyeliner. I ordered it from TikTok. It's 24 hours last. It will last 24 hours even if that's it. I already draw it. You see my friend, she's also busy with her phone doing live every day. She used to do live every day in Facebook and also in YouTube. That's it. And putting some, after drawing my eyebrows, you see, I already draw the other one, and then the other one also. That's it. That's it. This is our everyday routine here in the salon. Actually, we do a foot spa, pedicure, manicure, eyebrows, eyelashes, nail extension, hair color, hair reband. Of course, we have a hairdresser who do a reband and hair color. Hair treatment also available in our beauty salon. It's Concon Salon. And that's it. Thanks for watching, guys.